The chairman of Olumba, Ghana branch, has an angel. The angel is from Lisbon, Portugal. And I have even heard from a reliable source that the angel is living in a 3-bedroom flat. Oh God. He has come out to tell us that it is only poor people that believe in heaven. That rich men can never believe in heaven because they don't pray for heaven. Why? Because they are already living a good life here. So they don't even believe that heaven is real. When they feel earth here is already their heaven. It's only the poor people that only pray for heaven, that they believe in heaven. So what you are trying to tell us that we that are rich, that have money, or we people like myself, or $10 and the rest, so you are trying to tell us that we don't believe in God, we don't believe in heaven. When I knew that this man is actually taking when I know that this man is smoking something, it's when he told us that he has an angel from Portugal. So I didn't know that so anybody can have angel now from anywhere. I would have also ordered for one angel now. But the problem is, which country will I use? Since this man has an angel already in Portugal, I think I will go for Canada. Canada angel is better. At least when it's cold, we will stay inside the house. Wait. See, please. But whoever is applying this mic, bro, please be giving him what you have already fit at. Because you cannot just wake up anytime you like and come and be giving us rubbish information. You're telling us that it's only poor people that believe in heaven. In fact, it is all these your problems you people are sharing everywhere that is making me to lack sleep. My doctor has advised me that I need sleep. I need to be sleeping 18 hours. I've slept only 12 hours. I need to go and complete my 6 hours. Rubbish. To have angel from Portugal say we should not believe in heaven because we have one. Rubbish.